district level inter-school athletic meet jong snem hajar punriu kabala penyai da ka office u district sports officer Ribhoi district kalapoino sya kabakut nin kasni ka South Rigu Yayong ha kane ka Lempung ka Saint Alfred secondary school Marngar kalara ya ka nam Lahduh ha kate ka Lempung ka office u DSO ka sam yaki kusnam best team ha ka tikasni ha ka kerdan under 14 ki kentei lara da ka MEECL secondary school Kerdem Kulai bat ha ka liang di Senrang lara da ka Nongsangu secondary school ha ka kerdan under 14 na ka liang ki kentei lara da ka Saint Alfred secondary school Marngar bat ka Saint Paul higher secondary school Nongpo ha ka liang di Senrang katba ha ka under 18 pat lara da ka Nongklu higher secondary school D1 ha ka liang ki kentei bat ka Saint Paul higher secondary school ha ka liang di Senrang ha ka ni kasni penkut na kaliang ka office u DSO kala penkut burom ya ki noyel ka sports ki bala kur takma ha ka jingel ka sports ha ki kedan national level bat la penkut burom ro ya ka kemi jong ka samla retina hanse ka noyel ka sports jong ka district ka badang shuklab dangshen.
Parents, brothers and sisters, friends and all our dear athletes, without which this athletic meet has no meaning. And all others present here, a warm welcome to you all to this closing function of the district level inter-school athletic meet 2026 Ribhoi district. Over the past 3 days, we have witnessed remarkable talent, determination and true sportsmanship from all participants. Each athlete has given their best, not just to win, but to uphold the spirit of fair play and teamwork. Dear athletes, whether you have won or not, your participation itself is a great achievement. Congratulations to that. At the closure of this meet, it gives me immense pleasure, sir, to brief you that a record-breaking 45 schools, that is a total of 1,350 athletes, has taken active part here at the district level meet in these 3 pulsating days. So, new records has been set at this edition of the athletic meet. Impressive records. Winners have been scattered between many different schools and not concentrating on only a few like in many years. As per the observation of the Meghalaya Athletic Association, one of the coaches was here in the last 2 days. Around 10 potential athletes has been identified to attend the preparatory camps for the national competitions and some to attend the national games preparation as well. One individual athlete has been selected immediately yesterday, I think, to join the state Khelo India Center in Shillong. The performances of the schools at this district level inter-school athletic meet has been very competitive this year and promising as compared to the other years. It's so aspiring to learn about that fact. What's important now is for the athletes who will be selected to represent the district to prepare well and shine at the state level competition, which is going to be held in Shillong in the next month, in a few weeks from now.